and super supportive, so yeah, maybe a curse is to blame when it comes to the Cardinals. The Tigers also have the misfortune of sharing the Central League with the Giants, who are basically the New York Yankees of Japanese baseball, meaning that they're a powerhouse team that's just so easy to root against. Quote, it has also long been alleged that the Giants rely on underhanded tactics to recruit the best players, involving bribes to players and amateur coaches, or using their influence on the governing council of Japanese professional baseball to pass rules that favor their recruiting efforts. This may be one explanation for the Giants' abundance of success in league play, end quote. And that abundance of success in league play is a major reason why the Tigers have only advanced out of their league and into the Japan Series 3 times since 1985. So maybe we don't really need to turn to the supernatural in order to explain the Tigers' losing streak after all. But to be as thorough as possible, I looked into some Japanese language sources to see if I could find any more nuggets of info. And what I found wasn't a nugget. It was a whole 13-piece finger-licking good bucket of information. The first Japanese language source I looked at basically told the story I was familiar with. Hanshin Tiger fans celebrate the victory, call the Colonel Sanders statue, and now the team promptly goes down the tube. But the difference in the Japanese story was the date that this all happened. To this point, all of the English language sources on the topic either suggested or outright stated that the statue was thrown into the canal on November 2nd, the day that the Tigers won the series. But this Japanese language source explicitly placed the event on October 16th, and this led me to more and more sources that reference that October date. Why is that important? Because it was rumored that the statue wasn't thrown off Tsuku Bridge during the Japan Series celebration. It was thrown off the bridge prior to it when fans were celebrating the clinching of Central League title, which means that the Hanshin Tigers won their one and only Japan Series championship immediately after the Colonel Sanders statue was hurled from the bridge. Here's an interview with reporters. Hanshin Tigers news that a coin called false version of the story has been circulating in English language sources for decades.
Most of the stories that are out there, either in video or written form, are taken from each other, and they're also based on older versions of the As I look back in Japanese kind of accounts of the story, I noticed that the English version has a fatal flaw in it.
So a single detail in the story got lost in translation, and the Curse of the Colonel spun out to a fully blown urban legend as a result. Theorists, this totally wrecks the Curse of the Colonel as we know it. If the Colonel indeed cursed the Tigers from beyond the grave, it didn't work because the 1985 Tigers went ahead and won a title anyway just a couple of weeks after he was tossed into the river. But this also gets my theory wheels a-turning, friends, because think of it this way. For 35 years, the Hanshin Tigers never won the Japan Series. Then, in 1985, their fans threw a Colonel Sanders statue off a bridge, and the Tigers promptly win the series for the first time in history. The fans then stopped throwing Colonel Sanders statues off of bridges, and the Hanshin Tigers returned to their losing ways for another 35 plus years. Here's what I'm getting at, friends. What if gleefully hurling that Colonel Sanders statue off the bridge actually boosted the Tigers' performance for a short period of time? What if Colonel Sanders, a symbol of persevering after decades and decades,
I'm lost for words. That's less attempts than Black Blizzard. 9-5 I believe attempts. But I'll probably add like an extra 1,000 because old attempts. The same attempts as Black Blizzard. think I could actually beat it? Beat this? What? New hardest? Thank you. I don't know what else to say. It's just insane to be able to beat this. So, this is an hour recording.